Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video we're just going to be doing an unboxing and first look at the AMD Radeon RX 5700 XT. This is the gigabyte reference model. We're going to be taking a look at it in today's video. Let's jump right into this. So the box itself overall is the general gigabyte style. It's a really nice looking box on the front. We get some basic information about this graphics card. It has 8 gigabytes of RAM. It supports 4.0 on the PCIe. It's on a 7nm process and it supports FreeSync 2 HDR, which is nice to see. Opening the box up, we're then going to be brought to a second box, of course, this one being a little bit nicer and cleaner with the gigabyte branding on top. And it's an overall nice sleek box, as you can see here, with a nice reflective logo. Going a little bit further, we can actually see our graphics card inside in this, and a little bit deeper underneath this we get a quick start manual guide and a CD with the install drivers included as well. Although I would imagine most people, myself included, will just be downloading these directly from the website as they'll be the most up to date anyway. So because this is the blower reference model, it does have the indent here on the side of the paneling, which is a little bit strange at first, although it started to grow on me as I seen it a little bit more, and especially in person, especially with this kind of line effect on the top and side of the actual graphics card. I think overall it's kind of a stylish look to it, and it's something unique and interesting, that's for sure. I would still prefer a normal square kind of just blocked off graphics card. Looking on the back side, we do have kind of this shroud included in the graphics card as well, which does look really nice, especially from inside the case. In terms of power delivery, we actually have 2 8 pins and 1 6 pin required for this graphics card. Because this is a blower style card, all of the heat is going to be dissipated from the back, and you can see all of our grilled holes here on the back side of the graphics card, along with the different ports included. So this actually includes 3 display ports and 1 HDMI port. So depending on the screens you're using, you may need some adapters here. So overall we can put up to 4 displays on the output of this. And overall, I think this is a nice looking graphics card. It's kind of a simple video. I just wanted to do an unboxing just to show you how it looks. And here you can see inside my system, the Radeon logo on the side does light up in a solid red. There doesn't seem to be any RGB controls or any other colors or breeding lights or patterns you can do here. So you just get this solid red color. Overall, I think this is a nice looking graphics card, and for the price, I think it's really powerful. This is a little bit outdated now, especially with the new graphics card coming out in a couple weeks from Big Navi. That's kind of why I got inspired to retake this out and actually put this unboxing video up, because it's something I've had in my archives for a while and I just never made until now. So that's a first look and unboxing of the Radeon RX 5700 XT. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you find these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.